How to log into TD credit card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in TD credit card login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, TD credit, debit and prepaid card login, getting started. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Now at the top right corner, you're going to see the option of login. Click on it. Click on the option of online banking. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is fill this. First, you go ahead and type in your username, then type in the password. If you want to remember your username, click on this option of Remember Me. If you have forgotten the username or password, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on Login, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way, you can easily log into TD credit card account online. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.